To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Next, go to the chat where you want to create and send animated stickers. Now, tap on the stickers icon in your message box. Next, tap on the To Create button that appears in the sticker section. From your gallery, select a video that you want to turn into an animated sticker. Make sure it's short and expressive. WhatsApp will automatically trim your clip into a sticker. You can adjust the start and end time. You can select up to 6 seconds from your video. You can preview the selected portion. And once you are satisfied, tap Done. Your animated sticker is ready to share. Just tap the Send button. The animated sticker will be sent instantly in the chat, appearing just like a regular sticker. From here you can add the sticker to your favorites, include it in any sticker pack, or edit it further. So that's how you can create animated stickers from your videos on WhatsApp.